The hottest trend in cleaning floors? Steam. Real steam. So hot it can actually melt butter. But now what to do with all that greasy mess? Stay tuned for what happens. But that's not all. I've put my floors through the ringer. Dropped cereal, saucy messes, broken eggs. These can be so tough to clean up because they're both solids and liquids and sticky. That's where having something like an upright motorized floor washer can save the day, because in just one pass, it cleans up the mess and cleans your floor too. And what if your upright floor washer has some secret remote automation tricks? Meet the Roborock F25 lineup. With 3 key devices, there's one that fits every need and budget. So how do you pick the one that's right for you? In this video, I'm going to test and compare the Roborock F25 GT, the Roborock F25 XT, and the new Flagship F25 ULTRA. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets International, and we'll dig deep into what you get with each one, how they clean, and I'll round things out with helping you decide which one might be right for your home. I would like to say a special thank you to Roborock for sponsoring this video. As an occasional sponsor of the channel, I am super grateful for the company's support. I'm going to quickly unbox each of these devices because they are quite similar when it comes to the unpacking. The 2 key components in each box are the floor washer itself and the charging and cleaning dock. Depending on the model, you might get a couple additional accessories like a cleaning brush or cleaning fluid. Now with each model, you'll need to take care of 2 quick assembly tasks. Click the handle into place on top of the device and then remove the protective cardboard from underneath and install the microfiber cleaning brush. Then place your device onto its dock to fully charge. While we get some juice into each of these 3 devices, let's take a look at them individually, starting with the budget-friendly Roborock F25 GT. The Roborock F25 GT is the budget-friendly choice if you're looking for a floor washing device. It comes in at the lowest price point, but it doesn't compromise on cleaning. With generously sized water tanks, you can keep cleaning without the need to stop and empty or refill. Now, as a value-driven floor washer, there's no app connectivity in this version, and the machine keeps things simple with controls right on the handle. Though it may be a bit simpler, it's still got the skills to clean effectively. Let's take a look at how it mops up something as simple as spilled coffee. With 20,000 pascals of suction, it rolls over liquids no problem and inhales them into the dirty water chamber, all while using its spinning roller to polish your floors clean. Even on more complex spills like oatmeal, it's able to inhale everything no problem. With double edge cleaning, the mop head is able to get right up against baseboards and walls for a much more thorough clean. With up to 40 minutes of battery life, the F25 GT should mean you can clean multiple rooms on a single charge. Naturally, it also boasts self-cleaning ability. Just place it back on its dock to run a full high-temperature wash cycle in just a couple of minutes, and it even includes warm air drying. I want to move on to the mid-range Roborock F25 XT. Compared with the GT model, it adds power-assisted wheels, which Roborock calls AI-assisted. It's also got quicker air drying, dirt detection, and a longer runtime, making it a stronger choice for more frequent household cleaning. Let's take a closer look. With tanks that are almost the same size as the GTs, the core feature here is power-assisted motion. The wheels generate their own power, making the Roborock F25 XT much easier to push and pull across floors and to maneuver just about anywhere. That translates into making it so much easier to use. Check this out. I can even run the machine with just one finger, even my pinky finger. It takes virtually no effort at all, and it still gives me a thorough clean. Now, while you're cleaning, the device is also keeping an eye on the floors for you thanks to its dirt detection feature. A small blue light bar on the display will turn red when it's working harder to let you know it's giving you the best possible clean. And speaking of thoroughly clean, let's see it in action here. I smeared barbecue sauce over the floor and let the Roborock F25 XT have at it. You can see it was easily able to scrub the sticky mess away, no problem. And when it comes to more stubborn messes like this dried-on coffee, that is a breeze for the machine too, as you can see. Another test I like to try is sprinkling some hair clippings from my last visit to the salon to test a device's anti-tangle properties. Watch this. Not only is the F25 XT able to clean up the hair, but when I flip it over, you can see it doesn't get wound around the roller brush. That anti-tangle technology is actually also available in the F25 GT, as well as the F25 ULTRA, which we're about to get to. And upgrading to this model also buys you more runtime. With up to 60 minutes of use on a single charge, this is an ideal machine for larger spaces. If you've been impressed so far with what the Roborock F25 GT and F25 XT can do, you ain't seen nothing yet, as the saying goes. Meet the flagship Roborock F25 ULTRA. There are several major upgrades in this machine that make it the top choice for people who need the most cleaning power. I'd say the two most impressive features are steam-powered cleaning and remote-controlled automation. Let's start with the steam cleaning, which Roborock calls vapor flow. This mode uses 6 steam heads and water heated to 356 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius to create cleansing steam inside the head and around the roller, which not only sanitizes your floors, but it can power away even sticky, dried-on messes, which you're about to see in my cleaning tests. Now, do you want to see for yourself how hot it is? Let's find out if it can melt butter. I'm going to speed this up since it's not instantaneous, but you bet it did melt the butter. Pretty amazing. And of course, that steam is able to inhale and wash away the butter and all the greasy residue in just one swipe, thanks to that steam combined with some cleaning solution. This new Ultra model also increases the suction power up to 22,000 pascals, which should mean it can inhale just about any liquid in a single pass. Let's test the Ultra version on dried barbecue sauce, though. I smeared a thick layer of sauce and let it dry all day. Naturally, this is going to be a pretty big challenge even for the top scrubbing floor washer. That's why Roborock added the power of steam. Just enable that steam setting and give it a minute to heat up, then use it to blast away the most stubborn messes on your floors. And of course, steam is not just for powerful cleaning, it's also sanitizing those surfaces for an amazingly thorough clean. Roborock says it's got a 99.99% bacteria removal rate and a 99.9% allergen removal rate. The Roborock F25 ULTRA is the ultimate way to clean under any kind of furniture, even a huge king-size bed. That's because it has automated remote control. This part of the story starts with lay flat cleaning. Now, every single Roborock floor washer we're looking at today has the ability to lay completely flat, so it can get under tables or desks, furniture, and beds. But what the F25 ULTRA brings to the table is remote control. Check this out. Once you connect it to the free Roborock app, just lay the Ultra down right beside the bed. You can guide it all the way under, right to the back, to clean up every speck of dirt, dust, and pet hair. This is great if you've got awkward spaces or small bedrooms where it's hard to reach all the way under there. And I probably didn't mention, but take a look. This remote control feature is actually also available in the Roborock F25 XT as well. And by the way, if you've been shopping around for a floor washer and you're getting overwhelmed by all the choice, you'll definitely want to request my free upright floor washer buying guide. I cover off all the best options, talk about the key features and price ranges and the brands available, and I'll round everything up into one easy document that you can get by emailing me right here and putting upright floor washer buying guide in the subject line. And don't forget, it's free and I'll drop it right to your inbox. And if you're wondering how the F25 ULTRA will impact your wood floors, Roborock promises zero wear. I found it cleaned well and saw no swelling, and it seems to me the steam and the heat helps the floors dry faster. Like the other two models, the Ultra will run a self-cleaning cycle when it's returned to the dock. Another plus in the Ultra model is edge-to-edge cleaning. Watch as I easily wipe up spills from under the kitchen toe kicks with zero leftover residue. The design of the F25 ULTRA means it's able to get within millimeters of walls and baseboards, and all of that translates to a more thorough clean with less need for you to go around and touch up after. So let's recap each of these three models to help you decide which one is going to be right for you. If you're looking for a high-quality floor washer on a budget, the Roborock F25 GT is your best pick. If you need something instead with a little more runtime and you'd like the extra help from power-assisted wheels,
the Roborock F25 XT is for you.
And if you want top-of-the-line cleaning performance,
you definitely want the steam power found in the Roborock F25 ULTRA, not to mention that remote control cleaning that gets into even the hardest to reach places.
If you're interested in any of these machines, be sure to check the description box of this video for current pricing, special offers, and any available coupon codes just for my audience.
These are not the first Roborock devices I've reviewed. Check out some of its other cleaning products right now.